Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin, nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In recent times, thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a lot of our community members have been receiving positive responses. And for us to be proactive to these responses and ensure that all responses are properly attended to, we had set up the call booking team. So this call booking team are a team specifically set up to receive your positive replies and to do the needful once you have the positive replies. So what are the things we are going to be needing from you? So we'll be needing a few things from you. So when you get to the call booking team, we're going to send a link to the group, and also below this video, there, inshallah, in the description, there will be a link that can link you directly to the call booking team. So once you get there, they are going to be asking a few things from you. So just to make your whole process fast, you can also have all of those things ready before they ask you, so that once they ask you, you can provide them immediately. So the first thing is going to be your name. The second thing is going to be your active WhatsApp number. The third thing is your sending email. That means the email that you use to send the outreach to that prospective client that gave a response. The fourth thing is your prospect email. That's the client that responded to you. What's his name? The fifth thing is the prospect's phone number. So you're going to also provide that. Also, the prospect's email address. You're also going to provide that. Then the prospect's location. So you're also going to be providing that too. Then your message to the prospect. So the message you sent to the prospect initially that prompted them to respond, and the prospect's message back. That's their response. And also your response to the client. So if you gave any response, so you should also include that. If you didn't give any response, it's still fine. You can always just leave that blank. So these are the information we're going to be needing from you, inshallah. And once you provide them, our team would spring into action, inshallah, and they would contact the prospect to book a call with him. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes this a source of good for us in this life and the next. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nash'adu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.